First of all, I want to take a look at our website. How our website looks with our fresh, clean WordPress installation. So we're gonna take a look at our website. This is my new blog, and this is your site title, my new blog. And here is under your site title is your post. I'm gonna explain you that what a post is and what your site title is, but don't worry. Okay, when I click on dashboard, I go to my dashboard. I'm gonna click on appearance, themes, and let's activate another theme. A theme is how your website is gonna look, the whole layout of your website, the whole front end page. Okay, let's take a look at our website right now. By clicking on visit site. So we're gonna change a lot of things. We're gonna use another theme, and we're gonna, so you see that the content stays, my new blog and the post. So this is your theme right now. But we're gonna use a free theme in this course to give it a beautiful look. And so we don't have to pay anything in this course. You also got WordPress.org themes. That are the free themes that are available in WordPress. So you can also go to WordPress.org and install a theme. I'm gonna show you that later. But this changed the whole way of your website. We also gonna talk about premium themes. When I click on premium, you will see a list of premium themes. Pretty themes are pretty awesome too, but mostly too expensive to buy. But if you really want to invest something in your website, I said really recommend to use a premium theme. You can also follow my other courses if you want to use a free theme. Premium theme. So okay, that's probably what a theme is. So I hope you understand now what we are doing with WordPress and what we're gonna do and where we're gonna work with. We're gonna work with our Blogson theme in the next lecture. So I hope I will see you in my next lecture. And I go to my dashboard again. And I will see you in my next lecture. Okay, thank you.